So I'm going to show you the proper way to add images to your books so you can upload them to Amazon KDP so you don't have any issues when you're trying to upload because it's very specific. Amazon KDP, you have to know what you're doing or your book will be just sitting there and you can't upload it because their algorithm and their technology is just different. So I'm going to show you these devotions that I wrote to becoming a virtuous woman devotion and daily devotion for men. On all of the pages, I have images because I did it for like 1 year, day and night, as you can see, and I never had any issues with uploading these books to Amazon with all the images that I had on there because of how I put them in Microsoft because I use Microsoft Word to write all my books. And so I put you have to know how to do it from the beginning. So it's not something you do at the end. Especially when you have this many images and it doesn't matter how many images you have to know how to upload them. So I'm going to show you using day 2 this image here of how you're supposed to add images to your book. So this is how you're properly going to add the image when you're writing a book to upload on KDP. The first thing and only thing you should ever remember what not to do, never ever copy and paste. So we're going to go to, well, we want to put the cursor where we want to insert the image. And we go to where, like if you have stock images that you want to put in your books, you would just go there and you would just find different things there. But if it's a picture that you have, you find it on your device, click it and insert it. This is the proper way because when we insert, it's like a flat thing to the technology. It's flat. So if you don't want any issues when you're uploading to Amazon, then always insert. It doesn't matter how big the image is or how small it is. You must always insert. That way you won't have any issues when you're trying to upload it. So yeah, and I've had to learn this because I've had issues, but with this book, because it just so happened when I was putting all the pictures with these books that I never had any issues with them because I got the pictures from various places, so I just always inserted them, and all these books I uploaded, and once I learned to insert, I never had any issues with uploading um images. And I wish I had like videos to teach me. I don't think I was going on YouTube at the time to look at stuff, but I'm like, in case someone is new and they're searching that, they'll find this video to, if they're having issues uploading to KDP and they don't know why they're getting that error about image, they have to go back. You have to go back and check to make sure that all the images, every single one of them have to be inserted. If you like copy and paste one or two, that will stop it. So maybe if you don't remember, if you copy or paste all your images, you have to take them out and start your images from scratch and make sure that you always go to insert all your images no matter how big and small or small they are. And yeah, so that's the tip for adding properly adding your images to your book so you can upload them without problems. You might have problems with other things, but not for this, not for the images. And yeah, so if you like my books and you want to go ahead and buy them for yourself or someone else, you can just go. This is my name, Tiangela T. So you can just go in there and also, keep doing what you're doing. And if you're writing books, good luck to you so that you can be successful at that. Getting money. I'm not monetized yet. I'm hoping to be monetized in the future. But in the meantime, I'm like, I'm going to give tips because I've learned so much over the years of uploading to Amazon. And I'm like, I'm going to just do that in case someone is brand new or even if you're seasoned and you don't remember certain stuff, that if you find my channel, then you can learn some different things, so you can have uploading easy, have an easy upload time when you're doing it to Amazon KDP, because oh, they are strict, oh boy, oh boy. And you don't want to sit there and cry if you can't get your book uploaded, because the last book I did, I forgot certain little things, and oh, I was so aggravated. And I'm going to talk about that, about uploading and fixing stuff if you're stuck with Amazon KDP for certain things. So hopefully I can help some other people out. All right. So continue to come to my channel. I don't know, subscribe, like, follow, join, I don't know, and just go over my videos so that you can learn stuff to help you along the way in your book journey. All right. So yeah. Bye.